Have you ever tried going live on Facebook and that is you want to go live on Facebook but you don't want to go live on a portrait mode, that is on that street mode, or you want to go live on a landscape mode and you are not able to? Or will I say you have tried to go live and you try to turn your phone, but Facebook is telling you that you should turn it back to the portrait mode, that the landscape mode is not supported. That is, it can rotate to a landscape mode for you to be able to go live. And I can say that this feature was updated, I think maybe 2024, because way back 2023, 2022, if you want to go live on Facebook, at least somebody will be able to go live on a landscape mode, not just only on a portrait mode. That is, let me say for example, you have a phone like this, you can be able to go live on a landscape mode like this, not only on this, but now Facebook has removed the landscape mode and we are having only the portrait mode to be able to go live, and nobody can go live on a landscape mode. So on this video, I'm going to be showing you guys an app that you can use to go live on Facebook on a landscape mode without any effect, without any problem. You can be able to use it to go live on a portrait mode and on the landscape mode. Because if you are going live directly from Facebook, if you turn your phone to be on a landscape mode, Facebook, they are going to tell you, they're going to bring up a message telling you that you should turn your phone back, that the landscape mode is not supported, which is that the future of that landscape mode is not supported. Facebook did not permit that feature, only portrait. But on this video, I'm going to be telling you the app that you're going to use to be able to go live on Facebook on a landscape mode freely without any issue, and it's going to go very perfectly well, without any stress, without nothing. On this video, I'm going to be showing you guys that. So without being said much, like I always said, I'm going to be doing it on a screen record, showing you the app to download to go live on Facebook. So without being said much, let's dive on the video. And please, before we go to the video, if this is a video you love to watch, please do not forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and always turn on the bell notification to get new videos from me. So without being said much, let's dive on the video. Alright guys, welcome to the tutorial video. Like I said, I'm going to be showing you guys how to go live on Facebook on a landscape mode using a particular app. How to go live on Facebook on a landscape mode using a particular app. And like I said earlier again, Facebook has disabled their landscape feature of going live and allowed only the portrait, which is the portrait way of going live. So I'm going to be showing you an app that will help you, that you can use to go live on Facebook on a landscape mode. You can use it to go live on any social media platform on a landscape mode, but this depending on how the social media rotation is. You can use it for YouTube and Facebook, which is the one I've used very well. So I'm going to be showing you the app, but before I do so, let's show an example of what I'm talking about on Facebook. So let's go to our Facebook app and try to go live. Let's click on our Facebook app and let's try to go live on Facebook. Let's click this plus icon and click on live. So now guys, make sure your auto rotate is on. As for me, mine is on already. So let's try rotating our screen and see if they are going to pop out the message for us or not. So let's try rotating it. Alright guys, as you can see, they said landscape not supported. Rotate your device back to its vertical. Let's rotate it again and read what they said very well. Okay, rotate your device back to its vertical orientation for a better live stream experience. So guys, as you can see, it was denied. We can't go live directly on Facebook on a landscape mode. So I'm going to show you guys the app that can help you go live on a landscape mode with no issue. So let's go to our Play Store. First, you go to your Play Store, open your Play Store app. You search for rotation control. I have already searched for it, that's why it's showing me this. You search for rotation control on your search bar. Rotation control. You're going to see so many, but you have to choose this particular one. This one has no issue and it's already installed on my phone. So you install it. After installing it, you'll go and open the app, which is this one right here. Click on it, the rotation control. Sorry guys, rotation control. You click on it, and right now it's on no feature. It's just on the normal portrait, which is this dot dot. If you take it to this portrait mode, you have locked every other portrait or rotation control on your device. Even though your device is on auto rotate, if you should turn your phone, it's not going to turn because it is locked on this portrait. So if you want to take it to a landscape, we click on the order and it's going to rotate. So it has rotated already, and we can use this actually to go live on Facebook. So let's go to our Facebook and try to go live and see. So we click on Facebook, and here you can see it rotates every single thing on our Facebook app, and like this we can go live perfectly well. Let's try it and see. And we click on live video, and here is it guys. This is very fantastic. As you can see, it is on a landscape mode and we can use it to go live very well. So guys, if this video was very helpful, please do not forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and share to your friends and family. Tell me what you think. Drop your comment at the comment section. I'll see you guys on my next tutorial video. Thank you.